Welcome to UAE. UAE means United Arab Emirates. Our country was established 2nd December 1971. You people are here in Arab country, Muslim country. So today we are going to show you the Dubai most beautiful tourist attraction.
Hello friends, welcome to Dubai Chapter 4. Right now we are in our bus heading towards the royal heart of Bar Dubai in just a few minutes. We'll witness the majestic Zabil Palace, the residence of Dubai's ruling family. Friends, this is the palace road. It is so clean, so calm, so royal. Even the silence here feels disciplined. On this palace road, even the dust seems afraid to fall. That's the standard of Dubai. The Dubai road can teach us a valuable lesson, and that is, it is in the hands of the citizens to keep the city clean. It was a long, quiet stretch of road, a desert where plants rarely grow. Yet look around, the government has transformed sand into green cover. In Dubai, even the desert refuses to stay barren. When vision is strong, even sand begins to bloom. If a desert can turn green with effort, imagine what consistent effort can do to our lives. We could only have the glimpse of the Zabil Palace from a distance. Sadly, we couldn't go beyond a certain point. Security here is very strict and we could only see the palace from a distance. Unlike in India, where many historic places allow us to have closer access, here royalty remains beautifully protected. Not everything grand is meant to be touched. Some things are meant to be respected from a distance. A glimpse of the palace in the night and the daytime. Standing outside the gates, a melody escaped my lips. The palace was silent, yet it felt musical. If this distance can create a song, the inside must be a full symphony of dreams. For a palace moment, nothing feels more royal than the song from Jodha Akbar, Khwaja Mere Khwaja. दहलीज पे खड़ी थी पर दिल अंदर चला गया, एक झलक ने ही मुझे गीत बना दिया. दरवाज़ा बंद था पर महसूस खुला सा हुआ, दूर से देखा तो महल भी मेरा सा लगा. फासला था सिर्फ कुछ कदमों का, मगर ख्यालों ने अंदर तक सफ़र कर लिया. बाहर खड़ी थी, सुर लबों पर आ गया, सोचा अंदर जाती तो शायद साज भी बच जाती. Friends, this is our Sarathi, the bus that carried not just us but our excitement, laughter and countless memories across Dubai. Friends, now you can see the most famous Zabil Mosque. This mosque had beautiful architecture and architecture meets devotion here. Dubai Frame. This is not just a monument, it's a story between old Dubai and new Dubai. Standing outside the Dubai frame, it feels like I'm between the past and the future. One side tells the stories of tradition, the other whispers the dream of tomorrow. Dubai frame is a place where history and ambition meet. A picturesque moment. Next, the bus took us around the consulates and other government buildings. The government buildings stood tall and firm. They were symbols of authority and discipline. Our bus took us around these silent guardians of the city where order is not just maintained, it is mastered. ये इमारत सिर्फ पत्थर नहीं, ये शहर के जिम्मेदारी है. सीधी, ऊंची, मजबूत जैसे डिसिप्लिन का रूप ले लिया हो. Friends, a city just doesn't shine because of its lights, but because of the discipline that protects it. The UAE is known for its discipline and strong law enforcement. Strict rules and clear systems have helped maintain one of the lowest crime rates in the region. Here, order is not just expected, it's respected. It's a safe city, not built by chance, it's built by discipline. UAE is a country where rules are respected, systems are strong, and citizens choose responsibility. Friends, I believe that when the laws are strong, people live without fear. And when people are responsible, a city truly shines. Friends, now we've entered Old Dubai. Old Dubai feels like stepping into a living memory. Narrow lanes, sand-colored buildings, wooden doors and wind towers. They whisper stories of the past. Before the skyscrapers and luxury, this was the heart that built the dream. Friends, this is a lake and it is also called as the Dubai Creek. This was the heart of old Dubai. Dubai Creek is not just water flowing through the city, it's the lifeline of old Dubai. Before skyscrapers, before luxury buildings came up, this creek carried trade, culture, and dreams. This was not just a lake, it was a flowing memory of Dubai's beginnings. Modern Dubai may touch the sky, but old Dubai flows through its hearts. It was a sunny afternoon, but the cold breeze from the lake felt heavenly. The lake was really clean and it was serene. We were so lucky that we were taken on a gentle boat ride across Dubai Creek. As the water moved softly beneath us, old Dubai unfolded like a storybook. On one side stood traditional sand-colored buildings, on the other, busy souls filled with life and trade. The wooden abras passed quietly, carrying people just like they have been for decades. It didn't feel like a tourist spot. It felt like the soul of Dubai. The boat cut through the water, but time, it just stood still. The breeze carried whispers of merchants, sailors, and old traders. Old Dubai doesn't shout, it gently remembers. Through this boat ride, we travel through history.
But nowadays, these buildings converted to the restaurants, bazaar. If it is anybody who wants to come back here again, especially evening time, people can visit there inside. Now people can see the designs, structure of the buildings with sands, and they use material. And one of the old mosques you can see also that time they don't have electric. I'm talking about before 1971. So we have one of the Starbucks coffee. McDonald's also going to open, KFC, especially Arabic food. These are all of old styles, yes. Old historical buildings. These are of houses. Yeah, we are going to the market down here. So there is a graveyard for UAE industry, especially Al Maktoum family, our Maktoum family, Kabristan. So I have a request to all of you now. We are going to show you the Dera Dubai. I am going to book for you 2 boats. So please try to be carefully into the boats. After that, we are going to show you the Dera Old Bazaar. It's an old souk, old market of Dubai. This one is the favorite place of tourists. Please, may I have a request to all of you stay away. Okay, that is Sheikh Mohammed Center. Next side we have UAE House. UAE House. Inside UAE House, our King Father Sheikh Rashid was living with family.
My next vlog is on the renowned gold market in Old Dubai, and that is Gold Souk. Friends, if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe, like and share to watch all my upcoming videos. Bye-bye for now until we meet next. See ya!